Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use United Healthcare Ucard to purchase a product in 2025. In order to do that, first of all, you have to select eligible products. Choose items that are covered under the plans, such as over-the-counter products or healthy foods. Now, common eligible items are OTC medications, pain relievers, cold medicine, health healthy food, fruits, vegetables, and dry products. Now, utility bills payments at the participating location like Walmart and other stuff. Now, check your balance before making a purchase. Verify your UCard balance and allowances through United Healthcare member portal or mobile app to ensure you have enough credit for your selected items. Now, check your process. At the registration register, inform the cashier that you will be using UCard. You can either swipe your physical UCard or you can just scan the barcode from your digital UCard via the United Healthcare app. Now, keep your recipient. After completing your transaction, retain the recipient for your records. Now, if you are doing online purchases, use the United Healthcare app or website. You can also shop online using your UCard by logging into the United Healthcare member site or app. Now, browse eligible product. Search for approved OTC item and healthy food options available for purchase online. Now, you have to complete your order. Follow the checkout process as you would with any online shopping, using your UCard to pay for eligible items. Now, in store payments, you can pay eligible utility bills at Walmart, Money Center, or customer service desks. Bring your UCard and a government ID and a copy of your utility bills to set up a bill pay. For online, use the UCard on the same platform where you shop for covered products or pay utility bills by searching for eligible companies within the bill pay network.